Hi folks, I'm Larry from Dr. M Enterprises Handyman Services here on the east side of Oahu, where I work, live, and play. Okay, I've got the first layer for the shelf laid out here on the walls with the pencil marks. I'm going to start putting in the strip around it for setting shelves on. Okay, now we've got the row of 1x2s around the wall that will support the back of the shelf. Now I'm going to start building the framework for the shelving unit with 2x3 lumber. So I'll be doing that and then I'll be back to you in a little bit. Okay, now I've got that basic rectangle there built. Then we'll get another opening over here on this end, and then we'll set up for the shelf shape. Okay, we've got the basic framework done for the first shelf. We want it kind of high so I can put things under it. So it's going to be an L-shaped shelf. I'm going to cut the piece of plywood. I've set it up so that I can cut the piece of plywood to fit in an L shape. Okay, we've got the top on it. Got a bunch of screws set here so that I can screw down the top and push it into position and start over here at this end. Make sure it's in position on that end's already screwed down, so we're going to screw down this end to make sure it's in perfectly. Okay, we've got the framework going for the second shelf. It's not looking too bad. It's coming together. I'm going to go this way with the next leg of it, and we'll have it ready to put the shelf on. Okay, we have our top for our shelf cut to shape here. Notice I just cut it out of one piece, the L-shaped piece. Now if you notice, there's divots here where the ply isn't filled in. We'll go ahead and bondo those in before we paint it, and it'll look fine. Okay, we've filled in those holes in the board with bondo. You can see there are several places I filled. Those will get sanded once it's dry enough, and then they'll be ready to put in place. Okay, we're starting to get set up for the third shelf here. Got the board along the wall there to set it on. And then I have to trim a little bit off this edge here. It's sticking out a little bit. They want a fascia on it, so I've got to trim it just a little. Okay, the upper layer is coming together. We got that end, we got this end in. Just have to put one more piece of 1x3. I'm out of wood, so I have to pick up one more. I'll do that in the morning. I'll get the plywood cut for the top now. Okay, we've got the top shelf framework done. I'm getting ready to put the shelf on top. So we'll be doing that shortly. I got all the notches cut in the plyboard to go around things here and here. So we'll be putting that in now. Okay, we got the thing all assembled, caulked, and now we're starting to paint. A couple places painted yet. I'm gonna have to paint the bottom of this shelf because it's going to be seen as you look up. The rest of the other two should be okay. So just getting it cut in so I can go ahead and paint the rest of it with a roller. Okay, the shelf is finished. We got it all painted. It's all looking pretty nice right now. So it's all done for the customer, just like they ordered it. One little hint is I put that piece of 1x2 on the end so small things wouldn't slide out the end.